Our first trip to Guatemala was filled with beautiful surprises, shattering my expectations. I had readied myself to see generations of people scarred by war and crippled by poverty. But once we arrived, I was amazed at the hospitality, kindness, and openness of the many people we met. Moreover, the people seemed genuinely content and happy. I did not expect that simple rural living could be so dignified and powerful. Women cooked with wood stoves, men grew the food, and the young girls were actively involved in bettering their community. Midwives at the center where we stayed delivered babies and cared for young mothers. Instead of these idyllic scenes, I expected Guatemala, and by extension Concepcion, to be a really sad place, given its history. It was why I was initially hesitant about traveling there. I just didn't want to be confronted with sadness. What struck me most about our stay is that I really didn't see it. I realized that my insistence that there should be overwhelming sadness was rooted in seeing people as victims rather than as survivors. I kept expecting the sadness to surface, but instead continued to see the humor, warmth, love, and humanity. The dignity, strength, and joy that people displayed made me truly appreciate their personal and collective histories.